Here we'll be looking at center of mass and center of gravity. The center of mass is the mean position of the distribution of the mass of a system and does not depend on gravity. It has nothing to do with gravity. Its value is always the same no matter the location. The center of gravity is the mean position of the distribution of gravity in a system. It is a point where the weight of the system is concentrated and it does depend on gravity. The center of mass and center of gravity are usually in the same position except in cases where gravity is not uniform throughout the system. Okay, so given a system of masses m1, m2 and m3 at positions x1, x2 and x3, the center of mass x is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 all over m1 plus m2 plus m3. So that is how you calculate center of mass. Look at this question. 2-point masses 3 kg and 5 kg are at 4 meters and 8 meters from the origin on x-axis. Okay. Locate the position of the center of mass of the 2-point masses from the origin. So if they are both from the origin, we are going to have that the center of mass will be m1 x1 plus m2 x2 all over m1 plus m2. So m1 is 3, so 3 times 4 plus m2 is 5, 5 times 8 all over m1 plus m2, that means 3 plus 5. So that will now be equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5 times 8 is 14. Now divided by 3 times plus 5 is 8. Okay, so that will give us 12 plus 40 is 52. So 52 divided by 8, that will give us 6.5. Okay, so let's see another solving here. The next one says we should find from the 3 kg mass if the if the 3 kg mass, the center of mass from the 3 kg mass, and this is the 5 kg mass. Okay, let me say this is the 3 kg mass here and this is the 5 kg mass here. And let's assume this is the origin. From the origin to the 3 kg mass is 4 meters, and from the origin, so that means if this is 4 meters, it means that from the 3 kg mass to the 5 kg mass is also 8 meters, since the 5 kg mass is total of 8 meters from the origin, so it will just be 4 meters. Okay, so 4. Now in this case, now if the 3 kg mass, if we want to find the center of mass from the 3 kg mass, it means that 3 kg is 0. So it's going to be m1 x1 plus m2 x2 all over m1 plus m2. So that will be the m1 is 3 times x1 will be 0 because since it is starting from the 3 kg mass, it is 0. Then plus m2 is 5 times the x2. x2 is from here to the 3 kg is 4. So all over 3 plus 5. So everything here will give us 20 divided by 8, and that will give us 2.5. Okay, that's a beautiful one. So that is how to find the center of mass. Look at another question here. It says find the center of mass of a system of point masses m1, 6, m2 is 3, m3 is 2, and m4 is 9. Located at these are the points here. They are giving us x and y coordinates respectively. Well, it's still the same thing. So we can say this is 6 times 3 minus 2 if I don't need to separate them, plus 3 times 0, 0 plus 2 times minus 5, 3. Then plus 9 times 4, 2. All over here we are going to have sum of the masses 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, so if we add up, this will be 18 minus 12 plus this will be 0, 0. If you multiply 3 times 0 plus multiply 2 times minus 5 is minus 10, then here is 6 plus this will be 36 and 18. Okay, everything divided by 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 9, this is 20. So if I add up all the x, 18 plus 0 minus 10, that's 8 plus 36 is 44. So we are going to have 44. Then here minus 12 plus 0 is minus 12 plus 6 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 18 is 12. So here is 12. Everything divided by 20. So we are going to have 44 divided by 20. That will give us 2.2. And 12 divided by 20. That will give us 0.6. So that's the answer. That's the center of mass. 2.2, 0.6. Now another way we can actually solve this is by choosing each of the x coordinate and the y coordinate and solving them separately. For example, if I pick just for x coordinate, I'm going to have m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 plus m4x4. Everything now all over m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. Okay, if we do that, your m1 now is 6, so 6 times your x1 is 3, the first x here 3, then plus your m2 is 3 times your x2 here is 0, and plus your m3 is 2 times your x3 is minus 5 plus your m4 is 9 and your x4 is 4, sorry. So this is x4. So all over the total mass we've seen now is 20. So you see 6 times 3 is 18. So we are going to have 18 plus 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Okay, minus 10. Then plus 9 times 4 is 36. Everything all over 20. Abi? Now this is going to be 18 plus 0 is 18 minus 10, 8. 8 plus 36, 44. So 44 over 20. That will give us 2.2, which is exactly what we are talking about. You know, we can do the same thing for y and we'll still get the same answer. Okay, this will be the end of this class. Thank you very much.